Anybody who is going to South Africa now, who is planning to permanently move there, what is one caution that they should have in one sentence?
Be documented.
Be what?
Documented.
So you don't recommend illegal migration to South Africa?
Exactly, because that's what they hold their hands on, which I support totally. Number one, my house was broken into twice in South Africa. I couldn't find those people because they are not documented. They are immigrants from the neighboring countries. They break in, take things and go.
Eqala ukubona umuntu waseNigeria oqonda into eshiwo abantu base-South Africa. Yazi lento eshiwo lo bhuti lo ihlula ngisho abantu bala e-South Africa. Kunokuthi bayizwe lento eshiwo abantu base-South Africa bafuna ukubabiza ngamagama. They are xenophobic, they are afrophobic. Ukushiwo yonke into abangayisho. Uthi lo bhuti yini ongayitshela umuntu ofuna ukuya e-South Africa, whether uyavakasha noma ufuna i-permanent residence khona, yini ongayitshela umuntu? Uthi lo be documented. Wonke lama mashe siwabonayo alwa nento eyodwa nokuthi abantu abangekho documented, laba bala illegally ababuyele emakubo. Angazi mina ukuthi yini into enzima eyenza ukuthi abanye abantu bala eSouth Africa baze babize laba basuke bemasha ngamagama athize lawe ngwabala eqaleni. Ngoba phela ilula lento. Ngiyazi ngiyaqala ukubona umuntu wangaphandle wangesiwa la eSouth Africa kodwa oyiqondayo nosiqondayo isikhalo sabantu base-South Africa. Into eshiwo abantu base-South Africa bathi nje sifuna umuntu ola abe la ngokusemthethweni. Yingakho lo bhuti ethi iyodwa nje into uma ufuna ukuphepha, be documented. Usekhuluma nge-experience yakhe ngoba lo muntu ufike la illegal, ayafika amaphoyisa athatha ama-fingerprints kodwa ngoba akekho ndawo yingakho ekhala ukuthi abatholakalanga labantu. Enye into eyenza ukuthi abantu beze la eSouth Africa yile.
There is no child in Ghana that is getting grants every month. There's no old age in Ghana that is earning even 500 Ghana cedis.
No free medical health care. Nothing.
Go to Kolebu. People are dying. Something in South Africa called child support.
Mm-hmm.
Every child, if your parents, whether your mom or your dad, is not on the payroll,
Mm-hmm.
you get that amount of money every month
Go on.
from the government,
Go on.
which is 570.
Go
What they
on.
call Ghana Sika is 380 rand,
80
80
rand.
Ghana
Ghana
cedis.
cedis, yeah.
Every month,
570
every
rand.
child, if
Yeah.
your parents are not on the payroll.
Every child, as in every child from birth or when, like,
When we
so
say
when?
child, you know, go.
No, that means from birth
from birth
to 18 years.
to 18 years,
Wow.
you're a child.
Wow.
Fine.
Nice one.
Old age.
That's
When you come to South Africa, old age
Mm-hmm.
from 60 going,
Yeah.
420,
Which is equivalent to Ghana cedis. How much?
1,620.
1,600 and something. 20 Ghana cedis.
1,621
Ghana cedis.
Abrewa anakokra biao. Old age.
Old age. What about Kokra?
This is
Over
the
South
money
Africa.
the
Unya
government is giving you
1,620 Ghana cedis every month.
every month.
Yeah, the amount free could it.
And if you are an adult, right,
Mhm.
and you are not working, distress grant, that one is 370.
Teachers, they all kind
What they
of
call Ghana?
84.
Or
say.
You see, this video is long, but I just cut it like this. See, let us talk true to ourselves, Africa to Africa. Okay, you see the propaganda you guys are always saying South Africa's is a white country. South Africa is a white country, so they are being controlled by the whites. Okay, accepted. You people that are not being controlled by the whites, you people that own everything, at least the whole African countries, they have something that they own. What is the benefit that you poor people, poor citizen, is benefiting from what you own? Everything that we all own, other African countries that we all own, nothing that we citizen is benefiting from it. For instance, I'm not talking about Ghana here. I'm talking about my own country, Nigeria. We own oil. We own everything. We export. I say, is it export? Yes. We export a lot of goods, a lot of mineral resources out of from Nigeria to another countries. Like me as a poor Nigerian citizen, what am I benefiting from it? What is the little support that my government is giving to me from all these things they are selling? Had it been they are using it to construct a better road, a better Nigeria, we would have known that okay, all this our thing that they are looting, they are taking from our land, this is what they are using it for. But no, all our leaders, all our politicians, they are getting richer. You will see Nigerian politicians earning higher, earning. You see their monthly salary is a fortune for another person, poor citizen. Monthly salary, daily monthly salary. Just imagine, our politicians, our rich people, they are getting richer, while we poor masses, we are getting poorer. Nothing, especially Nigeria, nothing. I have never received 1,000 naira. You see, 1,000 naira is less than $1. I've never received 1,000 naira dollar free from my government, from our president. And you see all what South Africans are receiving. You see, if they are receiving all this type of compensation, all this type of thing, at least, like, for instance, if I'm receiving all this kind of money, you think I will be in my country, I will be competing with you foreigner that come here to come and work, that come here to come and do hard work, that I know that at the end of the month, I'm receiving paycheck from my government. At least, everything I want to do, there are some free schools, free hospital, free everything, free care. If my wife want to get pregnant, it's free. Everything is free, and you are expecting me to be an hard worker in my country. How will I be an hard worker in my country? Is it not because of this our government not doing what they're supposed to be doing? For we citizens, we find them lazy. At least they are lazy in their country. We have a lot of South Africa, all wide world, in this country, other continent, working hard. They are not depending, they are not receiving anything from any government. They are working hard. They are paying for their expenses. But we African countries in South Africa, we want everything. We want to be able to be like, we are now as if we are a burden to South African government. The benefit that South African citizens are benefiting, we still want to take part of it, and we are not even contributing to the development of that country.
Avimbi corruption ngoba isenze sagcina sangazibona izinto ezenziwa uhulumeni ka-ANC. Ezempilo mahala kuma African countries kuyakhokhwa, akunendaba ukuthi uyi-citizen or not, kuyakhokhwa. Imfundo mahala, kukhona ngisho uhlelo lwe-NSFAS. Ngithi yimbi corruption ngoba zonke lezo zinto lezo zenziwa uhulumeni ka-ANC, enzela abantu abasezweni lakhe. Acabanga nje ukuthi le mali yempesheni, le yempesheni etholwa izalukazi, amanye amazwe abayitholi. Kade bekhuluma laba semazweni abo bathi ayitholakala. I-child support grant, yazi masingakhuluma iqiniso, khona ingoma kaThokozani Langa ethi uma ngase kuphela imali eqolo eminye imizi yovalwa. Ngoba le mali iyona mali eyi-source of income ukuze balale bedlile, ukuze nje balale bedlile. Uma kunomntwana one-disability, uthola imali ye-disability grant. Uma uhlala nomntwana oyintandane, uthola imali ye-foster care. So ezinye zezinto lezi ezenza ukuthi labantu bamane baqamba amanga bathi bayabulawa emazweni abo, ngoba umuntu asalamsika unelungelo lokuthi abenefite naye kulezi zinto lezi, ayithola i-grant mangabe nomntwana. Yingakho beza nezingane, yingakho mabefika eborder bekutholakala ukuthi kunezingane bese kuthiwa ngokwamalungelo ezingane bazama ukuthi manje kupataniswe bagcine befakwa la eSouth Africa ngenxa yezingane. Kule insuku ezedlule inkantolo yase-Western Cape, is it Western Cape? Yeah, ishaya umthetho ukuthi uHome Affairs ufuneka uzenzele ingane ama-birth certificate akukhathalekile noma umama ozala leyo ngane leyo yena akanama-document noma ama-document wakhe fraudulent. Okusho ukuthi le ngane uma isine-birth certificate usezoyi-aplayela phela lo mama. Le ngane sinelungelo isinyala eSouth Africa ine-birth certificate yala. Angazi ukuthi i-judiciary yethu ingenwe yini nokuthi babhema hlobo luni lensango angazi. Ngibangithethelele ababhema insango kodwa nje ibhenywe yini yaqhuma laba balaphaya. Kwaqhunywa laba balapha e-Western Cape High Court ngoba lento lemthetho abayishayile ayiwakho umqondo. Ayiwakho kodwa nje izona izathu lezi ezenza ukuthi bagcina abantu beza ngobuningi la eSouth Africa ngoba ugovernment wase South Africa wenze elikhulu for abantu base South Africa. Ngithe ngokudlula compare namanye amazwe ase-Africa akekho ugovernment owenzele abantu base South Africa kulamazwe lawo owenzela abantu abamnyama njengogovernment ka-ANC. Ngenxa ye-corruption sigcina singakwazi ukukhuluma lezo zinto. Ngenxa ye-corruption sigcina singazi ukuthi hey yazi ANC yasebenza la. Ngakini amanzi ayengekho. Ngiyavuma ukuthi sineyinkinga manje ukuthi amanzi awaphumi kodwa amanzi vele isikhathi amabhunu ayengaphumi vele ayengafiki ngoba lwalingekho uhlelo lokuthi thola amanzi wena. Lalingekho uhlelo lokuthi akube nogesi. Ngisho imigwaqo yakhiwe lo hulumeni. So angikwazi ukungayisho leyo nto leyo ngoba i-corruption seyenze kube sengathi uhulumeni ka-ANC awukaze wenze lutho. Kunezikole ezakhiwa, kunamaklinikhi akhiwa. Africa ingaka nje njengoba ungizwa bebabaza labantu ukuthi yazi Africa ingaka nje akukho mahala ungena nje emtholampilo uthola amaphilisi. Kodwa sinohulumeni okhathalela abantu. Noma engenzi kahle kokunye kodwa akufanelanga kube sengathi konke akaze akwenza ukuright. Angidluleke lapho eKZN osukwini la izolo amaphoyisa bebambisene noHome Affairs baphuma umkhankaso wokukhuculula bakhiphe bonke abantu abala eSouth Africa ngokungekho semthethweni. Ngicela uzwe la.
Province-wide operations, and Pietermaritzburg is one of the big cities in the province, and we've been getting reports from committee members that there are illegal foreigners in this street and other areas. Hence, we have got teams that are operating in other areas like Plesisla, and where we are in Pietermaritzburg, we had intelligence that there were those who were employed who are illegal. There are those who are roaming the streets who are illegal. Hence, we had to connect this operation here, ensuring that we show force and we enforce the law without fear.
Ucabanga nje mangathiwa wonke lama province oyi9 kwenzeka into efanayo amaphoyisa amayithola imbiko kuthiwa nampa abantu la abekho semthethweni wozani nizo verify ninzi umsebenzi wenu bese basuka bahlala. Lenkinga ekhalisa abantu base South Africa singayibona ingekho kodwa ngoba kwenzeki wonke ama province kunalokho kunokuthi sidile nenkinga sifuna ukuhlasela laba bamashayo ya kazubani obafandayo into ehamba phambili ngoba abanye bethu bayabenefita ngokuba khona kwalabantu.
Bunikoza iphomedi lot aphethe necrest type
nayi lento ngala iyo yonke lekuse eyiyena
awunika iphomedi lot masekuze rock uphuma
ibambeke fe
this is rock cocaine. This one pieces of rock cocaine. This is called crystal. This is heroin capsule, green and white. This one, crystal. This one, rock cocaine.
It's on the street value.
Then Kenan, yeah. Sure. But this thing they sell it's 35 rand each.
35 rand each.
Yeah, so it depends of how many are there. This one it's 50 rand. How much? 50.
One.
And then this one, crystal, it's 50. So it depends how many you have, then you times by that money.
Umphakathi kufanele usebenzisane namaphoyisa ukuze kunqande kubugebengu. ngoba njengamalungu omphakathi abantu abathengisa ama-drugs siyabazi, angithi sihlala nabo. Kulula kabi lona njengoba nje nama-drugs njengoba uzwa bekhuluma, ukhona uKenneth njengoba uzwa bembuza ukuthi Kenneth lento lena kwenzakalani, ngoba uKenneth phela akazi, kodwa amalungu omphakathi ayamazi umuntu okuyena obulala izwe lapho, obulala indawo yangakubo. Ngishaya ihlombe indawo yase-KZN yonke ngoba amaphoyisa lawa aphethwe uGeneral Mkhwanazi, hayi uma kuvela imbiko aphuma ye lapho kusuke kunembiko khona. Angazi noma kule viki eliphelele na ngibone ilethe vele emaphoyiseni, angazi noma kula eGauteng ukuthi angaparticipate uma ngase kwenzeka lento leyo ukuthi amalungu omphakathi ethi namba abantu sebenza into wrong ufuna abangaparticipate. Iletha yakhona ngisazi ngiyibone, kodwa mangingaya kwipage lika Jacinta ngizobuya nayo. Manje ngenxa ukuthi angifuni le video ibe yinde kakhulu, sobuye sifunde ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa nje ngizama ukukuvezela umehluko esinawo nje la eSouth Africa. Ngapha eKuruleni angazi bekusesho bani, ngicela uzwe la.
This is not an original document. This is a forgery. This is your own making. This is your decision. This is what makes you believe that you are legal here. This tells you that you are correct and you are not correct. This tells you that you think what you are doing here is correct.
And gives you arrogance.
And this gives you this arrogance you are displaying to me. This is an incorrect paper.
You think we are
This
friends, are not your
tells
friends.
me, myself and I, that this thing is forged. This tells me that it's a fraud paper that you are displaying here. And you are laughing. You think this country is a joke to you. Yeah? This is not the correct paper. I am telling you. Now I want to read to you that you are saying you are a male Ahmed Hussein. Hussein. Hi. All of you are Hussein. You are Hussein number 50 now. Because I've met 49 Husseins. So you are Hussein 50. I must go to Hussein 51.
Must go to class.
That thing says within 14 days. It's forged, this thing. Look, this thing is forged. Ari,
Work and study.
work and start. No,
All of them work and study.
the smile is high. The smile is wiping off now.
Work and study.
The smile is gone.
So this guy is not making papers.
The smile is gone. Bring that guy. Where is he? Later, bring your papers here. Let me show you something that you guys are forging papers. Come, let me show you. But today, look here. The ID and that ID. Look. Look. You understand what I'm saying to you? Look at that ID and look at this ID.
Who's this one?
Who's this one?
This one. Where's the owner of this?
Where?
But it's you here, Mos.
So,
Same person.
Yeah, this one is not you.
but it's the same person.
It's not you. No, check the mic. But
Hey, Bambala man, Bambala wena man, Bambala. Motion's card. When you search, you don't tell us what to do. Jump. Where's your driver's license? Let me see your driver's license.
you're having a driver's license.
God, hey gentlemen, look, how do you have a driver's license from this country? Because you don't have an ID from this country. How do you have a driver's license from this country when you don't have an ID from this country?
Angibambe le video. Cela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lo daba esilixoxayo. Njengoba ubona nje ukuthi umuntu une driver's license kodwa kana ID yala eSouth Africa. Ungcono uphethe driver's license yakubo. Bekuzoba ngcono. Uphethe driver's license yala eSouth Africa. Lothi wena moyo applyile nasi kufuneka iID. Wena nje mawukwenzile nasi kufuneka iID. Ngoba phela i-driver's license ine ID number. Uyakwazi kwezinye indawo makufuneka iID mawuphethe license ukhiphe yona. Manje vele lo bhuti yena uyithole kanjani i-driver's license yaseSouth Africa? Ngicela nje usike sibheke le nto leyo. Angeke ngisho lutho kwamanje. Cela ukuze ukuphala kwakho. Ungasupporta ngoba imember le channel. Qala ku R50 kuya phezulu ngenyanga. Ungasupporta kusidonatela noma ngamalini khona account kwi comment ephiniwe. mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.